short hike from Tende is the Eagle Monument, or l'Aigle. This monument, built in 1913, when Tende was still part of Italy, honours the Italian soldiers killed in Libya between 1900 and 1910. The sculptor was Gaetano Orsolini. The plaque on the statue says in Italian, "Proud of these glorious Alps, in Libya with unwavering pride, they reclaimed for civilization and homeland the lands of Rome, working and falling heroically in battle." On the 2nd of October 2020, Tende was hit by Storm Alex. This natural disaster caused catastrophic damage all along the Roya Valley and the neighbouring valley of the Vesubie. Although a huge amount of progress has been made repairing the damage since then, many scars left by Alex are still visible to this day. Recently, work began to widen the riverbed and strengthen the riverbanks in Tende. This massive project alone will take 2 years to complete, but should hopefully protect Tende from any future disasters.